guys, Adam here from SatNav Systems, and we have diagnosed the problem in this Audi S5. It was to do with the radio unit. The motherboard was faulty and got replaced. Now it's all working. You can see the screen is coming back up again. We've got the sound working. All the radio, everything is back and up and running. So it's very common for these systems to go wrong because they all link together. I mean, the Audi MMI systems based on optical connections, all the components are they are connected by optical connection, and if one of them fails, the whole system usually shuts down or starts playing up. It can do many different things like switching on and the screen goes off, or you might not switching on at all, or you might not have the sound, and there's so many different behaviors, but the only way really to diagnose it properly is by obviously checking it physically with diagnostic tools and so on. Quite often we have customers coming in and saying, oh, I've been to Audi and they said it's the head unit, which is usually this thing, and they're quoting 3, 4, 5,000 pounds for replacements. It's quite often it isn't this thing. It might be an amplifier, might be a radio box, might be telephone, and there's so many different components, might be CAN gateway, there's so many different components that can fail, and because all the systems are linked together, the whole system just misbehaves or doesn't work or shuts down and all that. So please do get in touch if you have problems like that, and we'll be happy to run diagnostics for you and to give you further information what needs to be done. Diagnostics are always done in so there's no obligation to proceed, but at least you can find out what exactly is wrong with your car. For further information, please get in touch, info@satnavsystems.com. Thank you.